Hey there, welcome to my studio. We aim to create one-of-a-kind online training sessions that are fun, interesting, and engaging. Our students even say things like, "These are better than in-person courses." This is Tanya Steele, safety trainer, speaker, and advisor. COVID brought some new skills to my toolbox, and I wanted to show you how we use them in our training. I'm a certified virtual speaker and can deliver presentations right here in my studio for your organization, group, or one-on-one training. My aim is to bring presentations to life. No snoozy webinar here. We use all forms of training techniques and technology to create a learning environment for people to absorb the information. In our courses, attendees do not have time to lean back in their chairs. They are more often leaning into the camera. The cameras are always on, so they do not miss what the next exciting thing is. Some of the techniques we use are things like breakout rooms, whiteboards, group broadcasting, overlays, screenwriting, physical polling, online polling, live discussion and questions, virtual backgrounds as PowerPoints, music, exercises, games, and more. If you would like to take a safety course with us, we would love to have you in one of our classes. Or if you want some mentoring on how to raise the bar on your virtual presentations, please check out our website to connect with us.